In this video, I'll show you how you can fix lost connection to Steam for any Steam game. Now the first thing we want to do is we want to open up our firewall, and in here we want to try and allow Steam through our firewall. So come here and press change settings. For most people, Steam is already in here somewhere, right here. And you want to make sure all three of these are ticked. Now, if you don't see Steam in here, what you want to do is you want to search for Steam, right click, open file location, and then right click again and open file location until you get to the steam.exe. Then just come up here, click here, Control C, come back here and allow another app, browse, click up here, Control V, and press enter. Then you just want to find the steam.exe, open it and add it in here, and then you can check these. After you've done that, you want to find the game that you're having trouble with. So I'll just choose random game. Let's just say it's Terraria. You want to right click on it, properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. And once you've done that, you want to press browse, come up here, Control C, come back in here, allow an app, browse, up here, Control V, press enter. And then check all three boxes for that game as well. Now, once you've done that, if it's still not working, what you want to do is open up the firewall again. This time, go to advanced settings. In here, press inbound rule, make a new rule, choose port, next, UDP. And in here, what you want to do is you want to type 49152-65535. So that is 49152-65535. Press next, allow the connection, next, all three of these, next. And you can just call it Steam or whatever, finish. Once you've had that, it should hopefully solve the issue. Now, if for some reason this is still not working, what you can do is you can type cmd, right click, run as an administrator, and in here you want to type ipconfig space //DNS. After that, type netsh space winsock space reset, press enter. Then you want to restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. Now, as a last resort, if none of these work, what I suggest you do is you find a router inside your house, unplug it for 1 or 2 minutes, and then plug it back in. This is just going to restart your internet, and this might also help fix the issue. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.